using live chat with HubSpot on your website. Are you tired of watching potential customers leave your website without getting in touch? Do you wish you had a way to engage with them in real time and turn them into leads? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about using live chat with HubSpot on your website. HubSpot is a powerful tool that can help you turn your website into a lead generating machine, and we're going to explore how to set it up and use it to your advantage. With HubSpot's live chat feature, you can provide instant support to your customers, answer their questions, and help them find the information they need. This can lead to increased conversions, higher engagement, and a better overall customer experience. Plus, it's a great way to build trust and establish your brand as a leader in your industry. To get started with HubSpot's live chat feature, you'll need to sign up for a HubSpot account and install the live chat widget on your website. This is a relatively straightforward process, and HubSpot provides step-by-step instructions to help you get started. Once you've installed the widget, you can customize it to fit your brand and start using it to engage with your customers. One of the best things about HubSpot's live chat feature is its integration with other HubSpot tools. For example, you can use it to route conversations to your CRM, so you can keep track of all the conversations you've had with potential customers. You can also use it to trigger email follow-ups, so you can stay in touch with customers who have shown interest in your products or services. Overall, using live chat with HubSpot on your website can be a game changer for your business. It can help you increase engagement, build trust, and drive more conversions. So why not give it a try? Install the HubSpot live chat widget on your website today and start seeing the results for yourself.